Smithy Industries.
Today we're going to do a quick video on installation of the 80/20 extrusion backsplash. Just a quick overview of the extrusion, 1/4 inch plexiglass, and then the way it mounts the machine back here. We have several different models of the machine and the holes differ slightly, so that end mount will have slots to accommodate both styles. And then this is fully adjustable. That rail slides up and down the extrusion. If you have a different layout of table or bench or what have you, it will work. So the kit will come more or less with these components and some sort of configuration similar to this. Obviously these are going to be wrapped. The main part of the backsplash is assembled, and you're just going to bolt the pieces together. They're all M6 fasteners. You're going to need a 5mm Allen wrench or socket combo for this. These are M6 cap screws, and if you're using a electric ratchet like this one here, you need to be careful because they are aluminum nuts and they put out quite a bit of torque, so you got to be careful not to over torque it and strip them. First, remove the socket head cap screws. This is the bottom piece of the backsplash. We flip the piece over. We have the pieces separated there, and we're going to add on the 135-degree side mount. There's one on each side, and then the lower support. Once those are lined up, there'll be a slight overhang on each side, and that's so the top polycarbonate sheet overlaps the bottom. Shouldn't get any chips or coolant in that joint. And again, if you're using an electric ratchet, be careful. It's just a bit more time to do it with an Allen wrench, but I'd probably recommend doing it that way. And if you look closely down at this joint, you can see that it overlaps slightly there. Now we're assembling the lower splash shield, and again you're just sliding it in the 80/20 extrusion. Sometimes they are a little bit difficult to line up. You've got a lot of pieces in play here, and the nuts are pretty tight tolerance in those slots. Slides up and then lock into position. The support arm is 2 pieces. Again, M6 socket head cap screws, so you'll need your 5mm Allen wrench. Tighten the screws. And then, just like all the other components, it's gonna lock into place in this track, and you can see the slots on the mounting piece that accommodate the different variations in hole size on the headstock of the lathe. The final step, once you have it mounted on the machine, this is covered in a protective plastic coating, so it looks kind of funky right now, but if you can see how crystal clear that backsplash is once that's removed, both front and back.